In section 4B, we're going to look at writing linear equations in slope-intercept form from the given information, and we're actually going to use point-slope form and then convert to slope-intercept form. All right, so let me make this a little bit bigger. Now, if you remember right, y equals mx plus b is our slope-intercept form, but we're going to do point-slope form. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, and this is on your reference sheet. But that's point-slope, and then we'll get it to slope-intercept form. So for this particular problem, we're going to do number 14. Notice I'm given the point 2, negative 3 that it goes through, and I'm given the slope. So this is x1 and y1, and this is my m, and we're going to plug it in to point slope. So we're going to go y minus my y1 value, which is negative 3, so it's minus a negative 3, which is going to turn into plus a positive here in a second. We'll do that in a second, equals negative 7/2 times x minus 2. Now this turns into plus because we're subtracting a negative, so it's y plus 3 equals, and then we're going to distribute our negative 7/2 on the other side, so it's negative 7/2 x, and then negative 7/2 times negative 2 is positive 7. And then to get in slope-intercept form, one more step, which is actually to get rid of the plus 3, so we minus 3 from both sides, and it's negative 7/2 x plus 4. Now, sometimes we can have a fraction over here when we distribute. In this case, we didn't, but just know how to do fractions on a calculator and deal with them. Now we're going to go down to 22. The only difference here is we are now given 2 points. We're not just given the slope. So if we go in and we talk about y minus y1, we need to actually use the slope formula, which is y2 minus y1 equals x2 minus x1. So if I do that slope formula for this problem, I'm going to take negative 3, I'm going to subtract 5, and then I'm going to go 0 minus a negative 1, this one minus this. That turns into plus. On the top I get negative 8. On the bottom, 0 plus 1 is 1. So my slope is negative 8. So now I go into point slope. So y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. We're going to put negative 8 in for the slope. We can actually pick either point. I'm going to pick this first one. It does not matter which one you pick. So I'm going to go y minus my y1 value, which is 5. So y minus 5 is equal to negative 8 times x minus a negative 1, which is going to turn into plus 1. Now to get it to slope-intercept form, we need to distribute. So it's y minus 5 equals negative 8x minus 8. We're going to add 5. We're going to add 5, so it's y equals negative 8x minus 3.